In this video, we're going to look at our pointer control options we have on the iPad. What are our pointer control options? Well, if you have a trackpad or a mouse connected to your iPad, you can control the cursor. And with our pointer control options, which is within accessibility, what we're able to do is change the color of that. We can have that cursor always show or the pointer always show, and then we can also change the size of it. Let's see what I mean. Let's go over to my iPad. So I have an iPad Pro here with a trackpad. When I move my cursor, watch what happens. You're going to see I have my cursor there. We can see it's easy to find. I have a blue border around it, and it is quite large. Also, I have it disappear when I don't move the cursor. These are the different options that we can set within our pointer control. So where do we find this? Well, basically what we need to do is we need to go to our Settings app, and then from here we need to go to Accessibility. Under Accessibility, you're going to see, when you swipe up here a little bit, Pointer Control. I select it, and now what I'm able to do is customize my pointer, my cursor. So I can increase the contrast. I can also automatically hide the pointer. This is why it'll disappear. You're going to see that it disappears here, and then when I move my cursor, it comes back. If I want it to always show, much like a Mac, what you do is you go over to the left, tap on the slider, and now that cursor will always show. I tap on it again to have it automatically hide. I can also change the color. Right now it is blue, and then I can change the pointer size. All I have to do is just take this slider here and drag it, and you're going to see that that pointer is getting smaller. I like to have it quite large so I can show people what I'm clicking on or tapping on. We can also have it animate. What this will do when you move your cursor over top of a button, it'll animate it. So I would turn that on, and then when I move my cursor over top of something that I can interact with, it'll animate. I like to turn that off. The reason is because it might move the cursor a little bit. It's going to bounce into that or animate into where it needs to go. I just like to leave that off. That's a personal preference. I can also double tap to drag, and then I can set my trackpad inertia. So when I swipe up really fast, I can set what that inertia is. And then we have our scrolling speed. So those are the pointer control options we have on the iPad. Basically, instead of going to our system preferences like we do on the Mac, this is where we find our pointer control. We have a separate preference pane. What we need to do on the iPad is go to our Settings app and then go to Accessibility. So it's in a different location altogether. It's an accessibility option. When you go to your pointer control, if you have a trackpad or a mouse connected to your iPad, what you're able to do is increase the contrast, you can change the size, you can change the color. You can have it disappear, which is how it works by default, or you can have it always show. So if you have a hard time finding your trackpad or your pointer on the iPad, what you may want to do is set it to where it always shows. So those are our pointer control options we have on the iPad.